the updated video for the lower turret. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 live tooling. That is 390 heads, our birthday, and 2 straight, no, 490 heads and 1 OD live tooling. This is a video of the upper turret. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 live tooling. Looks like 290 heads and 4 OD live tooling. That is the chuck. And then the chuck on the sub-spindle. And we have about 5 more live tooling holders that goes with that machine. 290s and 3 OD live tooling. And assortments of OD, ID, static tool holders, and some half stations, OD and ID.